is a lightweight bout between Khabib Nurmagomedov and Tony Ferguson. Well, with respect to Justin Gaethje and anyone else who want to throw in the mix, this is about as watchable a fighter as we have on the UFC roster, the former interim lightweight champion, El Cucuy, Tony Ferguson.
Tony Ferguson is just nasty, from the elbows that he lands on the feet to on the back, the submission ability that he possesses. One of the most diverse strikers in the UFC. And with a college wrestling background, every time you step foot in the octagon with Ferguson, you know that you have your hands full.
And there's some fighters who just don't like training, right? Frank Mir would always say, I don't like to train. Tony Ferguson loves to train. He'll go 5 or 6 hours hard.
That's crazy.
And from a work ethic standpoint, few guys are going to be able to match that. All right, so here he is, the undisputed UFC lightweight champion, DC, your teammate Khabib Nurmagomedov, undefeated 27-0. And history is certainly going to look back fondly upon what this guy has accomplished and puts that undefeated record on line yet again here tonight.
Usually at this point in your career, guys have made a mistake. There's been a hiccup. For Khabib, there has been no hiccup, no missteps on his way to becoming one of the longest undefeated streaks that we've seen in mixed martial arts history. And it's because the skill is so high in every facet of mixed martial arts. He has fantastic striking. He has unbelievable wrestling, coupled with his sambo and the ground control and the ground and pound of Khabib Nurmagomedov is second to none. One of the most damaging, dominant fighters the UFC has ever seen.
He is a man of principle, and no one knows better than you. There may be guys who work as hard in the game, but no one works harder than him.
Nobody works harder.
And now our tale of the tape for this lightweight fight. Nurmagomedov is 31. Ferguson is 36. He will have a 6-inch reach advantage. All right, now for the particulars, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a freestyle fighter, holding a professional record of 26 wins, 4 losses. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Orange County, California, Tony El Cucuy Ferguson! And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a grappler, holding a professional record of 28 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, Khabib the Eagle Nurmagomedov. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Dan Mergliotta.
Dan Mergliotta, your referee.
You ready? You ready?
All right, so here we go, round 1, Khabib Nurmagomedov versus Tony Ferguson. I remember after Tony Ferguson beat Edson Barboza, that's the first time they tried to put this fight together more than 5 years ago. They have locked the door behind them.
It's going to be a fantastic fight. You have 2 of the most skilled fighters in the division, but also 2 of the nastiest, most dominant physical fighters lightweight has ever seen. Who's gonna leave this arena with their hand raised in the bragging rights?
Whiffs on that offering. Bone on bone as the head kick lands flush.
He better get those hands up or he's gonna put him to sleep.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman. Look at how he turns his hip into that leg.
Great kicks there. Oh, nice connection with that punch. It's one thing to have an edge and reach. It's another to take advantage. Nicely done. Oh, big diving punch is good. Good series of strikes by him there.
Great job of mixing it up, staying active, keeping busy, doing great work.
Back to the feet now.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one?
Oh, vintage stuff there. Nice combination of strikes by Nurmagomedov. Oh, over the top. This fight's gonna be over, DC.
What a great way of mixing up his attack. He didn't stay the course. He mixed it up. He went high when his opponent thought he was going low, and now he's got him hurt very badly.
26 total strikes have now landed for Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Look at him working at trying to shut the liver down.
Goes right back to that left kick and lands.
Straight punch lands.
Continues to eat power shots here. And now he's got that tie clinch. We'll see what he can do with it. Under 2 minutes to go in the round.
He's throwing every part of himself into these big leg kicks.
Oh, nice offering there by Tony Ferguson. Well, he's got the ground and pound going now. Strong work from the top here by Nurmagomedov. Oh, vicious kick to the outside of that lead leg. You got to start checking these, man.
You got to check these kicks, or you're going to be limping around the octagon very shortly.
Check yourself. It looked like it did stun him a little bit.
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish this fight.
Man, is he timing his shots well here tonight, DC. It's hard to
He didn't like that left hand.
Oh, straight right.
Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt already. Bad. Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down now.
Oh, now trying to isolate an arm, DC.
He needs to move his hips back to cover. He cannot allow him on that angle. He's going to attack armbar here.
Listen, you can do this now. I want you to go down and put your combination straight down the middle. I need more of that. All right, let us look back at some of the action from that previous round. DC, punches in bunches.
I mean, over and over, he landed that big punch, and every time he landed it, he got the reaction that he was looking for. His opponent really did start to take notice every time he was loading that strike up.
All right, buckle up. Here we go. Round two.
Okay, round two,
Khabib Nurmagomedov versus Tony Ferguson.
Nice kick.
Well, you start to really worry about the wrestling, and there's that left hand from Khabib.
Underrated. I mean, it's a very underrated part of his game, his ability to stand and strike with anybody in the UFC. Oh, he hurt him bad with a jab.
As he presses forward with the combination there.
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Oh, nice job to land the straight punch there. Must be nice. Oh!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Oh, and there's another leg kick for good measure. So doing a really good job with that weapon here tonight. And
oh! Right hand punch to the
And
clinch.
both guys really throwing with authority. Ferguson's lower jaw does not look good. I don't think it's broken. Oh, huge elbow!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Big knee to the body. Huge elbow. Busy night for the stats producer, needless to say. 119 total strikes have now landed for Khabib. Yeah, looks a little wobbly on his feet.
What a fantastic strike.
Wow! He's out!
He's done. He's done.
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge win for that young fighter here tonight. Well, another highlight for the real DC as we look back at that scintillating knockout.
Yeah, but the whole fight, he was landing great strikes, kicks, punches. He was doing everything right until eventually he found the shot that ended the fight.
And there he is, all smiles. What a huge knockout he turned in here tonight. That is one they'll be talking about for some time.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Mergliotta has called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 45 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout, Tony